What if I told you that the difference between struggling and thriving in B2B sales today isn't working harder, it's implementing AI in just 30 minutes? I'm Tony Koenig from Scaling Founder and Koenig Digital. I have helped hundreds of companies implement AI and scale. And I recently worked with a B2B company that was consistently outmaneuvered by competitors. After a simple AI implementation, I'm about to show you they increased conversions by 47% and cut their sales cycle from 98 days to 65 days. Today, I'm revealing the exact AI framework that's creating an unfair advantage for smart B2B founders in 2025. If you're a B2B founder watching your competitors somehow respond faster, personalize better, and close more efficiently than you, despite your team's hard work, this video is specifically for you. Yes, for you. AI isn't a luxury in B2B sales anymore. It's the price of admission. But here's the good news. You don't need a data science team or enterprise budget to implement it effectively. Let me show you the 30-minute AI setup that's transforming results for founders just like you. The fundamental problem most B2B founders face is the AI implementation gap. This typically manifests in three critical ways. Number one, paralysis by complexity. Believing AI requires extensive technical expertise, massive data sets, or enterprise budgets. The reality is you can implement impactful AI with tools requiring no coding and minimal setup. Second, the all or nothing fallacy. Thinking you need a comprehensive AI transformation rather than starting with high impact, low effort implementations. The most successful companies start small and expand gradually. And third, the misalignment of AI with actual sales challenges. Implementing AI for the sake of having AI rather than solving specific problems in your sales process. This implementation gap is creating a widening divide between companies capitalizing on AI and those falling behind. And it's happening much faster than most founders realize. This AI implementation gap is creating serious consequences for your business. First of all, slower response time. While AI-enabled competitors respond to leads in minutes with personalized messages, manual processes leave prospects waiting for hours. Second, the generic outreach. While competitors deliver hyper-personalized messages at scale, manual approaches mean generic templates or time-consuming individualization. And third, missed buying signals. With AI-enabled companies identifying prospects, showing intent and interest with precision, manual processes mean these signals are go unnoticed until it's too late. Fourth, inefficient prioritization. While competitors focus on the highest potential opportunities identified by AI, manual qualification means your team spreads their efforts evenly across all prospects. And fifth, the most critical, competitive disadvantage. Studies show businesses with AI in sales are seeing 30 to 50% higher conversion rates and 40 to 60% shorter sales cycles. And this gap will only widen throughout 2025 going forward. The B2B company I mentioned, they were losing deals not because the service was inferior, but because competitors consistently engage prospects faster, with more relevance and at precisely the right moment in the buying journey. That is the AI gap in action. Now let me introduce you to the 30-minute AI Advantage framework, the three-part system that's transforming results for B2B founders with minimal technical effort. Component number one is quick win AI selection, identifying the highest impact, lowest implementation effort AI use cases specifically to your sales challenges. The second component is no-code implementation, setting up practical AI applications using tools that require zero coding and minimal configuration. And then component number three, human AI collaboration, creating efficient workflows where AI handles the repetitive work while your team focuses on relationship building. When implemented correctly, this framework delivers immediate results without disturbing your existing sales process and requiring extensive training. So let me show you how this worked in practice with that B2B company I mentioned. They were consistently being outmaneuvered by more responsive, more personalized competitors. We implemented the 30-minute AI Advantage framework, and this is what we do and how we did it. First, we identified three quick win AI implementations. So that was AI-powered lead qualification to prioritize the hottest prospects, AI writing assistance for personalized email outreach, and AI conversation analysis to identify buying signals in calls. And then second, we implemented these using no-code tools. Lead qualification through the existing CRM with an AI plugin. This is obviously case specific. Email writing using a simple AI template system. Call analysis with a conversation intelligence tool that plugged into their video platform. And third, we created clear human AI collaboration workflows. AI qualified leads, human built relationships. AI drafted emails, humans reviewed and personalized. AI identified key moments in calls, humans acted on the insights. So the entire implementation took less than 2 hours spread across the week, with each component taking roughly 30 minutes to set up. The results, the sales team started focusing on the right prospects at the right time. Response rates jumped by 47%. Their sales cycle compressed from 98 days to 65 days. And they started consistently winning deals against those same competitors, all from implementing AI strategically, not comprehensively. So, if you're facing the AI implementation gap in your sales process, I've created a free scaling readiness quiz with a downloadable, scalable assessment workbook. We look at I'm going to complete the AI opportunity assessment to identify your quick wins and prioritize use cases with the highest ROI potential. Then follow step-by-step setup instructions for implementing your core AI solutions, focusing on configuration that align with your specific business objectives. And then third, you develop standardized AI frameworks similar to sales playbooks and document best practices, prompt templates, and usage guidelines to ensure consistent execution across your team. All of that in the workbook. This link is in the description below. And if you're ready to fully leverage AI across the entire sales process, check out my comprehensive B2B sales growth hacking masterclass on Udemy. Module 5 is entirely dedicated to AI-driven sales success with these exact strategies and more. So, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and get more strategies for implementing AI effectively in your sales process. And let me know in the comments which part of your sales process you think would benefit most from AI. I personally respond to every comment. This is Tony Koenig from Scaling Founder and Connect Digital, and I am committed to helping you implement AI that actually drives the results. I'll see you in the next video. Keep on scaling.